When I was in college, I was surrounded by a diverse group of students from various cultural backgrounds. However, it was the Indian immigrants who truly captured my attention with their exceptional accomplishments and unwavering determination. Their ability to become financially prosperous and raise incredibly successful children became a subject of intrigue and admiration. Eager to unravel the secrets behind their remarkable achievements, I embarked on a journey to understand the unique factors that contribute to their success. Join me as I uncover the fascinating stories, cultural values, and extraordinary paths that have propelled Indian immigrants to become rich and raise thriving, accomplished children. Get ready to be enlightened and inspired by their extraordinary journeys of triumph against all odds. If you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. We're all about providing valuable content to help you improve your financial literacy and achieve your goals. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when we release new videos, and you'll also be supporting our channel. So, don't forget to subscribe and let's get started. Secret number 1. Strong emphasis on education. Indian immigrants have a strong emphasis on education, considering it as a key pathway to success and upward mobility. Education is viewed as a transformative tool that opens doors to better opportunities, higher income, and social prestige. From a young age, Indian immigrant parents prioritize their children's education, encouraging them to excel academically. They invest time, effort, and resources to ensure access to quality education, often pushing their children to achieve high academic standards. This emphasis on education instills a deep respect for learning, cultivates intellectual curiosity, and fosters a competitive spirit that propels Indian immigrant families toward success in various fields. Secret number 2. Focus on values and discipline. A strong focus on values and discipline is a key factor in the success of Indian immigrants. They prioritize ethical behavior, moral values, and a sense of integrity in all aspects of their lives. Indian culture instills the importance of discipline, self-control, and commitment to excellence. As Mahatma Gandhi once said, "Your beliefs become your thoughts become your words become your actions become your habits become your values, and your values become your destiny." This quote highlights the profound impact of values and discipline on shaping one's life path and ultimate success. By upholding these principles, Indian immigrants establish a strong foundation for personal and professional growth, leading to long-term success. Secret number 3. Focus on professional careers. Indian immigrants often place a strong focus on professional careers, recognizing them as pathways to financial stability and success. They prioritize fields such as medicine, engineering, finance, and technology, which offer lucrative opportunities and upward mobility. Indian parents encourage their children to pursue these professions, valuing the prestige and stability they provide. As Mahatma Gandhi once said, "The best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others." This quote highlights the Indian emphasis on choosing careers that not only bring personal success, but also contribute to the betterment of society. By pursuing professional careers, Indian immigrants strive to make a meaningful impact while securing a prosperous future for themselves and their families. Secret number 4. Entrepreneurial spirit. Indian immigrants possess a strong entrepreneurial spirit that drives them to start their own businesses and ventures. They demonstrate a willingness to take risks, innovate, and create opportunities for themselves. This spirit is deeply rooted in the belief that entrepreneurship can lead to financial independence, wealth creation, and the realization of their dreams. As renowned entrepreneur and founder of the Tata Group, J.R.D. Tata once said, "I don't want India to be an economic superpower. I want India to be a happy country." This quote reflects the entrepreneurial spirit of Indian immigrants, who strive not only for personal success, but also to contribute to the prosperity and happiness of their communities. Secret number 5. Strong support networks. Indian immigrants benefit from strong support networks that contribute to their success. These networks consist of fellow immigrants, community organizations, and extended family members who provide guidance, assistance, and a sense of belonging. Through these networks, Indian immigrants find support in navigating the challenges of adapting to a new country, accessing resources, and establishing professional connections. As Helen Keller once said, "Alone we can do so little, together we can do so much." This quote highlights the power of strong support networks in fostering collaboration, resilience, and collective achievement. The support received from these networks plays a pivotal role in empowering Indian immigrants to overcome obstacles and thrive in their new homes. Secret number 6. Family values. Family values hold a significant place in the lives of Indian immigrants and contribute to their success. Indian culture places a strong emphasis on the importance of family unity, respect, and support. Family members provide a strong support system, encouraging and motivating one another to pursue their dreams and achieve success. As Desmond Tutu once said, "You don't choose your family. They are God's gift to you, as you are to them." This quote reflects the deep-rooted belief in the inherent value of family bonds. Indian immigrants prioritize nurturing strong family ties, which create a foundation of stability, love, and shared values, enabling them to thrive and raise successful children. Secret number 7. Adaptability and resilience. Adaptability and resilience are key traits exhibited by Indian immigrants, contributing to their success. They possess the ability to adjust and thrive in new environments, overcoming challenges and embracing change. Indian immigrants are known for their determination, perseverance, and ability to bounce back from setbacks. As Charles Darwin famously said, "It is not the strongest of the species that survives, nor the most intelligent that survives. It is the one that is most adaptable to change." This quote highlights the significance of adaptability and resilience in navigating life's obstacles. Indian immigrants' adaptability allows them to seize opportunities, learn from experiences, and ultimately achieve their goals in the face of adversity. Secret number 8. Cultural diversity. India's rich tapestry of languages, traditions, and perspectives brings a unique and diverse perspective to their endeavors. This cultural diversity fosters creativity, innovation, and a broader worldview, allowing Indian immigrants to think outside the box and approach challenges from different angles. As Maya Angelou once said, "In diversity, there is beauty and there is strength." This quote highlights the inherent strength that comes from embracing cultural diversity. Indian immigrants draw upon their diverse backgrounds to contribute fresh ideas, collaborate effectively, and excel in various fields, propelling their success. Secret number 9. Thriftiness and financial planning. Indian immigrants have a prudent approach to managing their finances, emphasizing savings, budgeting, and wise investments. They understand the value of long-term financial stability and prioritize responsible financial planning. As Benjamin Franklin once said, "Beware of little expenses. A small leak will sink a great ship." This quote reflects the importance of being mindful of small expenses and the cumulative impact they can have on one's financial well-being. By practicing thriftiness and effective financial planning, Indian immigrants build wealth, secure their future, and create a solid foundation for their success. Conclusion. In conclusion, the success of Indian immigrants in achieving financial prosperity and raising successful children is the result of a powerful combination of factors. Their strong emphasis on education, cultural values, hard work, focus on professional careers, entrepreneurial spirit, strong support networks, family values, adaptability, resilience, cultural diversity, thriftiness, financial planning, and a focus on values and discipline all contribute to their remarkable achievements. The stories of Indian immigrants inspire us to embrace these principles in our own lives and strive for excellence. By learning from their journeys, we can unlock our potential and create a brighter future for ourselves and the generations to come. Enjoying the content? Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more captivating videos. Stay connected with our community as we continue to explore fascinating topics, share inspiring stories, and provide valuable insights. Hit that like button and join us on this exciting journey of knowledge and growth.